everyone, this side Vanna and welcome to the Walk TV. And today I'm gonna share you a quick makeup techniques, makeup in 5 minutes. So don't worry when you rush somewhere. So I have a solution for that. Just follow my simple steps. So let's start it. I'm gonna use the True Match. I'm applying with this brush. Move this brush in circular motion so that it absorbs in your skin. It take a minute or half minute to get inside your skin area. Cover your lip area as well. So I'm done with this foundation and I'm gonna use this Maybelline compact. So with the new brush, do not use the same brush because it is we're gonna use this in a liquid form, so I need a dry brush. So quickly apply a dry brush on this plate and apply over to your face. Don't forget to cover your neck area. Next I'm gonna use the brow wax. It is easily available anywhere. So I just take this back side of this brow brush and apply quickly onto my brows. I'm mixing these two colors, this and this. I'm making the eyebrow. I love to make an eyebrow in arch shape. So I'm accordingly make this. Now this is the gel, transparent brow gel I'm applying to make a perfect look to my brows. I'm done with this, and I'm quickly apply this kajal under this area. I'm using this blush. It's a pink color, light pink. Using this onto my cheek area. I love this light baby pink shade. This is L'Oreal Magic U liner. मुझे थोड़ा सा पसंद है. I like little wings. Quickly I'm using this light shade. It is up to you, आपको कौन सा पसंद है, which shade you like the most. And I'm done with this makeup. It is a quick short makeup. Hope you like the way I'm doing. It is very shorter way. If you are in rush or if you are in hurry, you have to, go to somewhere and have no time, so do follow these simple steps. It include a simple step like foundation you want, and eyebrow wax. If you don't have the wax, so don't worry, you just apply single this with the, but make sure you have this brow brush and lipstick and kajal. If you don't have these two things, so don't worry, you can use only one at a time. And this is all about today's video, and hope you see a drastic change on me. So hope you like my channel. So this is done today, and I'm back with more interesting topic on daily basis. Don't worry, I'm trying to maintain a consistency of my videos. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and please support this channel. I really need your support. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, and happy modeling, happy fashion and happy winters. Please watch my past video as well. You will get to know what are the things in today's fashion. Ta-da!